Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to provide solution to some of the questions you have been asking me. Like some of you have been coming to my DM asking me that you want to do your face authentication, you're unable to do it, that is telling you level not sufficient. So I've got so many messages even under my comment section. People have been asking me that. So also some people have been asking me, how can I become an agent? What is the benefit of becoming an agent? So I'm still going to do video on that, yes, on how you can become an agent. Do you understand? But this is particularly for those people that wants to go live and they are unable to do their face authentication. Now, if you cannot do your face authentication, that means you won't be able to go live, to do live stream. Do you understand? Now, so the question is, how do I go about this? When I register on this app, it wasn't like this. Like I was able to do my face authentication even as a newbie, as somebody that is new. So, but I think right now there is a new policy, there is a new condition for you to do your face authentication. You have to pass through some things. Yes. So I think the problem is that they did not come out to to let us know the new policy that is now available. So I think that is where the problem. So we have to make research, you know, ask people around about the problem. And this has made some people to even feel that it is not legit, which it is very legit now.
Okay, so before I continue, if you are watching this video right now and you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like these videos and give these videos a thumbs up. Make sure you're on your notification bell so that anytime we release video tutorial, you'll be notified. So I'm going to use my demo account, the account I created newly for this tutorial so that you can understand. Because if you are creating an account new, there is an interface that is going to show up. Do you get? So I'm going to use my new account to explain to you right now.
So I'm going to show you what you can do now. For you to be able to do your face authentication and start going live, so as for you to earn your $1, number one, for female, you must reach level 5. Like we have host growth and we have my growth. Now I'm going to show you that my growth, you must reach level 5 for the female, and you also for your host growth you must reach level 2. Now these things are very important. Let me just show you what I mean. So go to this picture where you see my profile. Yes, go to this place. So click on that profile picture. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, so once you bring it to this interview, you see my growth, you see host growth. Now for my growth as a female, you must reach level 5. Do you get? You must reach level 5, and for the male, you must reach level 10. So before, there are some app that does not allow male to participate, but this particular app, both male and female can live stream. But there are conditions for the male to live stream here, which is that you must reach level 10. Then for the host growth, you have to be on level 2. So do you get? Now I'm very sure the next question you want to ask me now, okay, how can I reach level 5? So before you can reach level 5, it is very easy. In fact, you can finish this thing within one day and start doing your face authentication. Within a day you can finish up and start earning your money. Do you get? Now so I'm going to show you what you need to do for you to move to grade level 5. Do you get? So now what you're going to do is click on this my growth level. So when you click on this, hold on. So once you click on this my growth level, sorry, I think I made a mistake. Okay, click on my growth level. So on this my growth level, you are going to see something like ESP.
So this ESP has to increase. Do you get? Now, so for it to increase, you can see that line. So the more it increases, the more the line goes up. Yes. Now, as a newbie, as somebody that just registered newly, now for you to move to level 5, there are tasks you need to complete. Do you get? Now you can see from this place, you see no comma, you see regular tasks. So if you're already in level 5, you will only see regular tasks. But if you just register and you're unable to do your face authentication, you are going to see this. Do you get? Now you have to perform all these tasks here. It is very easy. So just once in a day, you can finish all these tasks. It's very easy and simple. Now, the first task says, first time entering the live room. So immediately you enter live room, that means you have finished the task. It's going to write finish. So for people that cannot enter live video, like cannot live stream with video because of your face authentication, you can still live stream through audio. Do you get? All you need to do is click on audio and click and go to live and go live. So you'll be able, that means once you do that, you'll be able to finish. But I'll still show you because I'm very sure some people will still come and ask me a question. So I will show you what I mean by that. Now, the second one said send a message in the live room. So immediately you are in the live room, all you need to do is to click the chat box and just say hello, hi, anything, just any message. You are good to go. That means you have finished the task. You can see that it is very, very easy. So then the third one says first time sharing of the live room. Now, your live room, you are to share it with your friends, family. You can share it on your social media platform. All you need to do is to copy the link of that live stream of your live room, so and send it to people. Do you get? I will show you that because you still ask me question. So once you are done, that means it will, the more you are doing it, your more ESP will be added to you. As more ESP is added to you, you'll be growing, you'll be, you'll be moving to another level. Do you get? So these are just things you need to do for you to complete your to move to level 5 for both male and female. Okay, now first time following the host. So you can decide to follow me. Do you get? It's very easy. Or I decide to follow you. So you have completed the steps like that. The first time sending gift, yes, or Bitcoin. So you can gift yourself or you can give to your people in your group. Do you understand? So this one you need to buy coins. Do you get? Yes, you need to buy coin. Although the coin is very cheap. So for you can buy coins as low as 800 now to get 0.49 cents. So if you want you want to buy coins at a very cheaper price, I have someone that say, so you can just message me, leave a comment in the comment section or message me in my group. I'll be there to attend to you. So you can also buy coins from this app. Yes, but I think it is very cheaper with the person I told you. Now that is about that. So then the next one is recharge once. Also, this one you need to recharge on this app. So you can recharge directly. I'm going to show you all these things. You can recharge directly from this app. Once you recharge once, you are going to earn like 200 ESP. So for you to send a gift to yourself, you earn 100 ESP. So as you are finishing this task, that line is moving up, then you are moving to another level. So that is how to advance and move to level 5. So once you are done with this task, you are good to then sending a speaking request. So I'm going to show you a practical example of this thing. So I don't want to waste much of your time. So guys, if you are still watching this video and you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, what are you doing? Kindly hit the subscribe button right now before I show you the practical step, and give these videos a thumbs up. So let's go.
So I've moved back. I just go back. Yes. So then I just click on the cancel button. So you click on this microphone button. Just click on the blue microphone button. I hope you see it. This particular one. So I'm not going to edit this video. I'm posting it like that. So I just want to quickly give you the update. So this one. So once you click on this particular one, so now for you to go live, I told you, since you can't do your video authentication, so just come to audio, right? So click on audio. If it is video, you do like this. You can see I was able to do my own face authentication. So you click on audio. On audio now, let me just show you, because some of you will still come and ask me which one is audio. You see this audio? Let me just click. So you see under go live, under go live, see audio. Yes, you click on go live. Once you put it on audio, just click on go live. Yeah. So once you go live, that means you have entered live. You have finished the first task. That's all.
So for the second task, we say that send message in the live room. All you need to do is to click the chat box here. So once you click the chat box, this is going to pop up. So all you need to do is just to write hello, hi, anything, just send any message. Then you click the send button. That means you have completed the second task. This is as simple as that. Okay, so the third one says you should copy your link and share it to your social media platform. So which we are going to do that. All you need to do is, let me just hold on. Okay, so you are going to click the button up there, the share button up beside the power button to exit the live room. You can see that button. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring this thing out. Now you can copy your link, so you can share with your family, friends, or on your social media platform, WhatsApp, Facebook. So that means you have completed. You can see as you are completing this task, more ESP is being added to you, and your level is growing. So it is very easy as that. So the next one is for us to recharge. Do you get? So you are going to recharge now. So let's. Next one we are going to talk about is how to recharge or gift yourself. Now then if you recharge, like I told you, they are going to give you 100 ESP, right? So now to recharge, you can either decide to buy a coin. So when you want to buy a coin, I told you I have somebody that can sell coin for you at a very lower price compared to the one you will buy on app. But if you want to buy directly from the app, all you need to do is go to your profile. So I'm going to show you right now. So you're going to head on to your profile, then click on wallet. Click on wallet. Okay, so once you are, so this is on where you can recharge on this app. So but if you want to get it at a lesser coins, as low as 800 naira you can get 0.49 cents. Like if you, okay, or you want to get 10,000 naira coins, then you can use that 2,000 naira to get that. So if you want somebody that can sell coins for you at a cheaper price, you don't want to buy from this app, then you can message me or chat me in the comment section. So that is that about how to recharge ones. That is that. So I think I've explained a lot about this thing. So if you have any question you want to ask me, so let me know in the comment section. So that is going to be the end of today's video. So just make sure that you complete all the tasks. You get 1 day, 2 day, you are good to go. You can finish the task and start what live streaming, then you can earn $1 per day. So that is that about that. So if you find this video very helpful and valuable, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. Thank you.